Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by property.Com. We have here a stunning modern oasis for sale. It is located in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Your dream home awaits. Welcome to your own slice of paradise. Nestled on a sprawling 1 acre lot in the picturesque Runaway Bay. This exquisite modern estate boasts 9 luxurious bedrooms and 9 pristine bathrooms, making it an ideal sanctuary for families or those who love to entertain. With private beach access and breathtaking ocean views, every day feels like a vacation in this exceptional property. As you enter through one of the two front entries, you are greeted by an expansive open concept living space that seamlessly blends style and comfort. The contemporary design features large windows that flood the home with natural light while offering stunning vistas of the surrounding landscape. The spacious living area flows effortlessly into a gourmet kitchen equipped with top of the line appliances, perfect for culinary enthusiasts. The property has a large yard surrounded by lush greenery and various fruit trees. Imagine picking fresh mangoes or coconuts right from your own garden. With ample parking space and a two-car garage, accommodating guests will never be an issue. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a piece of coastal luxury. Call today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.995 million, Jamaican 314.8 million, Canadian 2.85 million, or 1.55 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.